Well, g'day Curd Nerds. Just a quick video to say thank you so much. We've just reached, well, it's just over 200,000 subscribers. And I am just overwhelmed as always. Thank you so much for everybody who subscribed lately in that Twitter storm meme fest thing that happened. But yeah, lots of cheese making videos to watch on the channel obviously, and there are many more to come. As you can see, I'm making cheese right now. All of my cheese videos are always free to watch, so don't hesitate to go and check them out. Watch them over and over if you wish. And yeah, just to say thank you once again for subscribing to the channel, and to all the financial members as well on YouTube memberships and Patreon. Without their support, really I wouldn't be able to keep the channel going. Well, thanks for watching Curd Nerds, and I'll see you on the next cheesy video. Bye.